take out the light from the ceiling gently. Then you will see the two springs on the left and the right. Press them together to easily disconnect them from the hook. Yes, take it this way like so. It's a spring, you can see. Then you can see the LED connector. That is the LED connector. Easily disconnect them. Then the screw adapter, the base adapter, you can see it. Just twist it anti-clockwise, then take them out. Then get the new one that you want to replace. Get them and put them back just the way you took out the old one. Now, firstly, fix in the adapter, the base adapter. This way, the screw base adapter. Then you now connect the LED connector. Connect it together that way, and also now that is the light. Then press the spring together. First fix one side before the other. Put in either side, either the left or the right side. I put it directly inside the hook on the right. Make sure the wire is not on the way. Then put the left side on the hook. Just make sure you push it back in gently, so you can if you see the wire on the way, like the wire is blocking the movement, the fixing of the spring, just make sure you take it out, adjust it and put it back. Now you're done. That is it.